Boy, oh boy, is it fun playing with my little fishy. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. Oh, yeah, this is so fun. Wait. How'd that get in the house? You just kept my fishies! I think one's missing! I can't tell though, because I can only count to 3. I need to call the police! Ahem. 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 Oh, what's wrong? Oh, well, Hedgey's been leaving us alone all day, so, I was thinking we could, do something. I mean, I don't know what you're referring to, but yeah, it's been really quiet lately. You want to, watch a movie or something? Yeah, sure, if that will get the panties dropping. What? Mommy! Daddy! What do you want, Hedgey? I need to call the police on my Bobby phone because I think a bird swooped in the house and I think he's trying to hurt my fishy. You know what? Yeah, just call the number on that phone. Alright, so which one of these numbers spell out police? None of them. Okay, well, I'm gonna figure it out. Come on. I think it needs new batteries or something. It's not working. Wait, is that Bobby? I think that's the police car. Nothing's happening. Oh, hey, here, there he is. That's not the police. What's up? Oh God, why did he stop flying? Oh, I'm not going forward. With my Bobby phone. What? Oh hey, there's a real shiny thing in swing. Is that a bug? Oh, here, let me remove that from you, Mr. Buddy. You know what? I don't know what I'm gonna name you, but come with me. Hi, I have a new pet. His name? You cannot have a bird in the house. His name is... You cannot have a bird in your house. His name is Plush. Fucking what? Yep. This is my girlfriend. That's a bird though. You just said it was a bird. Yep, it's also my girlfriend. You can't date a bird. You know that, right? Nope. That's my girlfriend. You can't date birds. Okay, well fine then. I'm gonna go back to my ex-girlfriend, aka my white hand. You know what? Let's just sit back and watch TV. Come on. Plus, I'm gonna teach you some new tricks. Such a fucking idiot. Alright, Puzzle. I'm gonna teach you a trick. Alright? So, follow me. Watch what I do. My parents are right there watching TV. But hang on. Yeah. Okay. Go with the camera. Okay. Now watch me. Okay. Give me that. Can you do that? Yeah. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. You talk. Pretty bird. You talk, Pusshole. Okay, well, Pusshole. Do another trick. Let me think. Pretty bird. Wait, you're a bird? Don't you make sounds like... That is the best thing I've ever heard in my life. Okay, let's go show Mommy and Daddy. Come on, please, just let me get one single hit. Hedgey? Yeah? Hedgey, why the fuck is Pusshole a chicken? Well, I... Did you teach him how to do that? No. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with you? Why would you let him figure that how to make that sound? I'm gonna be annoyed by you and the freaking bird. Can you say your name? Puzzle. Puzzle. Fuck, now he's gonna be screaming Puzzle wherever he goes. Puzzle. Puzzle. Come on, Puzzle. Let's go do something fun. Play a montage! Oh, come on, just some action in. Not until marriage, honey. You know, I'm really tired of you always being like such a horn dog, you know? Well, why do you never call me by my name? Your name is John. Ew, John? We couldn't think of a better name? What's even your name? Athena. You get to be named after a Greek goddess, and I get to be named after a formal white guy. Well, I mean, I could also call you Johnny. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, call me Johnny. I like that. Yeah. Can't believe your name's Athena. Mommy, Daddy! What do you want? What do you want? Well, I think me and Puzzle are going to be the perfect couple. You can't date a bird. Who says so? I think I already found a replacement for my right hand. You can't date a bird. Well, fine then. I told you I'm going back to my ex. My right hand. That's your left. Whatever. Come on, Puzzle. Let's leave these jerks in the dust. So now that Hedgey's gone, you know what this calls for, right? What does it call? What does it call for? This calls for... What's that rustling sound? A Reese's peanut butter cup. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Alright, I'm done. Time to dig into this Reese's Puff. So, Puzzle, what now? Brett, birdie bird, birdie bird. Oh, guys. It's crazy. We can't find him. Yeah. Brett. Ah, shit. Oh, frick. I think the fourth wall broke. Hell nah, bruh. I'm out of here. The Woofy fourth wall broke? That means... Where the fuck's that dude going? Wait, it was just a joke! Come back! Well, guess we just killed the whole Woofy Z gang. Yippee!